Test 3. Possession. Roboteacher, what do you have?
I have a computer for a brain.
Roboteacher, what do you own?
I own lots of teaching books.
Roboteacher, what do you belong to?
I belong to the National Union of Teachers.
When we talk about possessions, we use state verbs. Possessions are things that we own, things that we have, and things that belong to us. Remember, when we use state verbs, we cannot talk in the continuous tense. Have and own mean pretty much the same thing. When we have or own something, for example, a dog, it means that it is ours. I have a dog, or I own a dog, means that the dog is mine. Belong to is slightly different because the point of view changes. We would say the dog belongs to me, again meaning that the dog is mine. When we use belong to, we start with the thing that is the possession. The dog belongs to me. In the sketch, Roboteacher says, I belong to the National Union of Teachers. We often use belong to when we are part of a group. However, in this case, a union is a group of people that have similar professional interests. For example, they could all be shoemakers or teachers. They join together so they can look after each other or help each other if they have problems. Watch the next video to see if Roboteacher will finally understand state verbs.